Lower back pain can occur for a number of different reasons. I'm going to show you 3 exercises in this video which will improve back health and improve core function, meaning they're always a good place to start. Let's first look at the lower back itself. Poor posture and rounding of the back may be a cause of pain. Pain that comes from an overstretched and weak lower back, meaning the spine and the discs are more at risk. This exercise over time will not only increase strength and tone in the lower back, it can also help to improve posture and tell the brain what good posture feels like. Start face down on a mat and lift the chest up off the floor. By keeping the chin tucked in and looking down at the floor, this will help to lengthen the neck, helping to reverse a forward head posture, often present with bad posture. Turn the thumbs up towards the ceiling. This will help to retract the shoulder blades back and down. Try not to hunch the shoulders. A step can be used if you struggle to lift the chest up off of the floor. The aim with this exercise, as with the other 2 that I will show you, is to work for 3 minutes total time under tension. This can be broken up into smaller sets. 3 minutes time under tension is necessary in order to induce an aerobic improvement in the muscles. This exercise will help to address faulty core patterns and imbalances which may be the cause of the back pain. It integrates both the inner unit, the smaller muscles of the core which help to stabilize the spine and pelvis, and the outer unit, the core muscles which most people tend to think of. Start with knees under hips and hands under shoulders, using a bar which can help the brain to recognize neutral spine. Neutral spine is the optimal position of the spine. So here we are training it to be strong in this position. Neutral spine should be base of the spine in contact with the bar. There should be a gap in the lumbar spine, so the curve of the lower back should be away from the bar. The bar should rest in between the shoulder blades, and you can squeeze the shoulders back and down to help rest the bar in between. And also the head should be in contact with the bar, although you could drop the head down and just have the 2 points of contact, although ideally keep the 3 points if you can. Slowly extend one arm and the opposite leg. Try to limit any movement through the spine and try to stay in neutral spine. The inner unit muscles will be working to maintain the position. One hand or leg as an option. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, slowly lower with control, and repeat this on the other side. Try to be aware of the belly button being drawn in, which will activate the transverse abdominis muscle. The transverse abdominis, or TVA, is one of the inner unit muscles, and a fully functioning TVA can help to support the spine and potentially reduce back pain. Which brings us on to the next exercise. For this next one, we concentrate on 2 things: TVA contraction and the posterior pelvic tilt. Lie down on your back with feet flat on the floor and knees bent. Place one hand under your lower back or in the lumbar curve and the other hand on your belly button. Take a deep breath in, imagine the air filling up the stomach. Breathe out, draw the belly button in and hold it there. Continue to breathe normally. Then press the lower back down into the hand underneath the back. This will tilt the pelvis posteriorly, activating the lower abs. So we have TVA and lower abs working simultaneously. 2 other options are slowly extend one leg at a time. You can do this with one foot down on the floor or up off of the floor. The main aim though is to keep pressure down and belly button in the whole time. So only do the second 2 options if you can maintain this. Again, work for a total of 3 minutes, which can be broken down into smaller sets. Like I said earlier, these may or may not reduce or stop back pain depending on what is causing the pain in the first place. However, they are good exercises to do regularly as they will help to improve good back health and good inner unit core function and postural awareness. Please check out my other core workouts on my channel, and while you're there, why not check out the other videos to see if there are any that take your fancy. If this video was valuable to you, then please like and subscribe, and why not click on the bell so you can be notified of any new content as and when I release it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.